What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the Bybit Trading Bots, how my journey it's been so far. Okay, as you can see right here, I am down currently, 8.07%. And the overall is I am down. So if you come over here to assets, that means I am down 129 bucks. Okay, I am down 129 bucks because of the FUD of SEC. Let me show you the bots they were running. They were doing really well, and then the Gary Gensler decided to FUD and crash the whole market. Okay, and then last Saturday somebody dumped 2 billion uh 2 billion worth of crypto. Okay, so that caused another dump. Okay, so this one it's from 2 days ago, nearly 12% in nearly 2 days. This one's have canceled because the entry price have not been triggered. Okay, this one day old, 1 day old, and over here is where the SEC decided to crash the market. So even though I lost 64%, as you can see right here, the bot was doing really well, and it was running for 4 days. Okay, so the lesson learned from here, from this experience, right? So the bot was doing well, really well. So I was up 11%, right? So I was up 11%, and the bot was constantly making trades. Does it show the history? I think I've made like 100 and something trades. 184, about 100. I think it was around 150, 160. Okay, right here, 141 trades. Okay, so the bot was constantly buying and selling, because that's what the bot's supposed to do. But then, the news came around, the Bitcoin crash, everything went down, and I had a stop loss at $1, okay, and the price went below $1, and the bot was triggered by the stop loss, and I had 64% loss. Okay, so my take from this bad experience, okay, I wouldn't call it bad experience. I would say a lesson is don't let the bots run over 24 hours, because when you do, one day everything might be green, next day everything might be super red. Okay, so let's go over to the completed bots. And yes, over here is where the SEC killed all my bots, a majority of them. Okay, because prior to that, the bots were doing well. Okay, but lesson learned. All right, lesson learned. So don't let the bots run for more than 24 hours. Okay, because even though they might be doing good in one day, next day everything might crash and you might lose all your gains. So that's the strategy that I'm applying right now. So currently I have the TRX in neutral, because as you can see right here, TRX is right here in between. Even though if TRX comes over here to this resistant line, I hope that it will bounce back down. If not, cool, I will shut it down. But that's the scenario that I'm hoping for. Second scenario is TRX coming down to test this support level and bounce back up. Okay, because this is a neutral bot, the bot will make trades either way, but the price has to stay right here in between. Okay, so that's the beauty of a neutral bot. As long as the price goes in between this line right here, we're good. And I also deployed a new bot on BTC. The entry price is going to be at 25.700. Stop loss, which is going to be just below 25,300. Okay, just below this one, because as you can see right here, we got some super long wicks, so I don't want to be stopped out, and then from there the price goes up. Okay, so that's why I gave a little bit of margin, right? Even if the price comes a little below and then bounce back up, okay, we make some profits. That's why we see the TRX right there, okay, deployed a few minutes ago, and we have the BTC right here, entry price 25.700. So if you are on my Signals channel 329, you can see that I posted all my trades there. So as you can see right here, we got the TRX, we got the time, and you got the BTC and all the other trades that I've been baking. Okay, guys. So if you're not familiar with the Signup channel 329, the link's going to be down in the description if you want to join this channel. So every time I'm going to make a trade or close a bot, making gains, losses, I'll be posting here. So if you want to follow my journey, you can join this Signup channel as well. And over here is where you're going to find everything that I do within Bybit. So in the future, so once I go back to green, so once hopefully I go back to above $400, which was my initial capital, okay, I will start making some giveaways. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to recoup my losses, learn from my losses, and move on from there. So from there, become a better trader and perform better trades. Okay, so scrolling further down, we can see that I have the Ethereum bot right here. Okay, currently 18% down. If price right now is 17.36, and over here you got the price range 16.62 to 21.41. Okay, so I'm gonna let it run. It's gonna be stopped if it goes below 1600. Okay, I don't really think if it's gonna go below 1600, but who knows, right? And we have the BTC. All right, so this BTC, you may be thinking, why do you have two BTC bots? Because this one, the entry price, so if you open, we can see that the entry price was back here somewhere. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is once this bot goes into green, I will cancel this bot, I will terminate it, all right, and let the new bots do the job. Okay, because the new bot, the entry price is going to be from here 25.7, and this one, the entry price was at 26.5. Okay, so 26.5 was way up here. Okay, so it's a big difference, right? It's a big difference. So my entry price was here. Okay, so what I will do is, so once I'm coming to green, once the bot goes into green, I will cancel this old bot and let the new bot do the job. Okay, essentially that's my plan. So far I've made $3 in profit, but because I'm down, right? So I'm down 8%, so I'm at loss. Unrealized profits of 4.04. Okay, and over here we got all the stats, and essentially that's it, guys. So this week is going to be a super volatile week because we got the CPI and all that. Okay, so on the 14th you have what we have over here. So you have the PPI, and over here we have the Fed press conference, which will be Wednesday. So which is tomorrow, right? It's going to be tomorrow. So we are expecting lots of volatility. So right now BTC, it's dumping. That's why I've got my trade right there waiting for the BTC to hit these price targets and we start trading. Okay, so hopefully BTC won't go much further down from there and pump back up. I could have started the bot right here, but I was like, usually the BTC touches this line and go a bit below. Okay, so I decided to bring it down a little bit. Hopefully a big wick will activate the bots, and from there we go ahead. And that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. So the lesson here is, if you have running bots, don't let your bots run for more than 24 hours if they are in the green. Okay, if they are in the green, take your profits while you can, because all of a sudden those profits can go away, like it happened to me in the past. Okay, so like this one right here, I could have let it run for a few more hours, but this one in the morning was 20%, right? So 20%, and now I was like, damn, from 20% to 12%, let me shut it down, take my profits, right? So we gotta apply those rules and stick to those rules. Okay, because one day, 1 hour could be green, next hour could be red. So when you are in the green, take those profits, because we don't know what's going to happen next. Okay, so that's my advice, that's my take from this trading experience so far, and I intend to apply those rules because we got to recoup some losses, right? So that being said, guys, later today I'm gonna do some TA, because seems like BTC is dumping, and when BTC dump, well, I wouldn't say dump, but it dips, all the other altcoins dip as well. Okay, so later today when the market shuts, I will do some TA, and I will be posting some info over here on the signals channel 329. So probably I will take 2 more trades. I will deploy 2 more trading bots, and from there we will see where it takes us. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.